Shake that booty.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black lights. With the black lights.
What is freaking up, you guys? I am back and I'm really excited. I honestly don't really have more explanations. I was trying to figure out what kind of aesthetic I wanted to have. Anyways, since back to school is around the corner, which is sad but also exciting because back to school videos are literally my favorite, and I've made some really cute notebooks that are really cheap and really easy to make. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And without further ado, let's get started. The first DIY is super easy. All you need to do is paint a notebook white, or if you can buy a white notebook then that would be easier, but I couldn't find any. And then I printed out a bunch of these emoji plus signs, so if you just go to symbols or something on your emojis, you can just put them all on the page and print them out. And then I am gluing them onto my notebook with some Mod Podge, and I'm using tweezers just because it's a really tiny thingy and I didn't want to get glue all over my hands. And once you glue them all on, you are finished.
Messed it up.
For the second one, I got this notebook that has a clear, transparent, greenish tinted cover. Then I downloaded and printed out these leaves, which I will link down below so you can download the same ones as me. And then I just started to place them not on the cover but on the paper that is underneath the cover. I glued them on, and then when you close the notebook, it is really cool. I'm actually so obsessed with this one. For the last notebook, I am taking some sticker paper, which is marble. I think I got it from Amazon, but I think you can get it at basically every craft store. And then I'm just sticking it onto the cover of my notebook. Then I was deciding between these two cardstock papers. I went with the lighter pink one, and then I'm gluing it on top of the sticker paper. Then on a piece of paper I print out the word history, but you can obviously change it to math or science or whatever subject you're using it for. Then I outlined it and cut it out. Then using some Mod Podge, I am gluing it onto my notebook, and after that you're done.
Give me a chance to make it right. Just let me touch you like the first time. We don't need answers to survive. Just let us keep on with the black time. So those were the 3 notebooks that I made. I really hope you guys liked them. If you recreate any of these, definitely send me a picture on Instagram or Twitter because I'd love to see them. Subscribe, click the notification button, give this video a thumbs up, all that jazz. I think you guys know it by now. And yeah, that's about it for this week. I'm really excited for upcoming videos because I've already planned a few of them. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next week. Oh, that sounds so good. Yeah.